Right before Emily was going to start kindergarten, we went to just kind of a routine doctor visit, and they had heard a heart murmur. So we went to the cardiologist to follow up. She seemed perfectly fine. She's super active, high energy, so we never thought that there would be an issue. And when the doctor came in and said, sit down, I have something significant to tell you, I was shocked. And that's when they discovered she had a pretty large ASD. Teddy has to get his heart checked. Show me how it works.
I was very scared. When someone says open heart surgery on your 5-year-old, it's concerning.
You hear, okay, they're going to go through the sternum, they access the heart, they repair it, but then how do they repair it and what does that mean? And so we wanted to kind of explore some other options and see if there was any alternative that was appropriate.
And eventually it led us to Boston Children's Hospital.
Hearing that your child needs a heart procedure is never easy, and it's a lot to process. So anything that we can do to reassure families that their child will be safer and have a faster recovery goes a long way.
Historically, surgery for an atrial septal defect required a large sternotomy, and it went from here to here. Now, with our relatively newer approach, is to go through the side via thoracotomy. It gives us really quite good access in order to close that defect. Healing is quicker, arguably pain is less, the hospital stays are shorter, and you can hardly see the scar later, which is important to a lot of folks.
Just hearing how confident he was, hearing his success rate, knowing he works with so many complex heart conditions that we felt like we were in really good hands.
Follow-up care after going home is usually pretty streamlined. It's just a process of healing and taking time to recover before getting back to activities and schoolwork, etc. We also collaborate very, very closely with patients' home cardiologists. While we are happy to provide care here in Boston, it's very important that you have a cardiology team close to home, and we have a very good system for collaborating with those cardiologists, sharing information and answering questions. But usually after the first few weeks of healing, there's not a lot of questions that come up.
Emily's 3 months out of surgery now, and she's doing amazing. She went back to school at the 4-week mark, and then at 8 weeks, she went back to gymnastics, and now she's back. She's climbing ropes, she's flipping all over her house. I mean, it's incredible to see, and she just has so much strength, and I think she has more energy.
Yeah, she's a little boss. She likes to tell her brothers what to do.
She's super strong and doing great.
I think if you're the parent of a patient that has an atrial septal defect, it's worth exploring the options. We've had a number of patients now come from across the country, actually, very specifically asking for this approach to have their ASD closed. One of the major advantages about coming to Boston Children's is the whole package of the institution that really brings all of that expertise together to provide the best care for these patients.